If you need to change the email linked to your DoorDash account, follow these simple steps to ensure smooth transition. This guide will help you update your email quickly and efficiently. Step 1. Open the DoorDash app. Launch the DoorDash app on your mobile device or visit the DoorDash website on your computer. Make sure you are logged into your account. Step 2. Access account settings. Navigate to your account settings. In the app, tap on the profile icon or the menu icon, then select account or settings. On a website, click on your profile picture in the top right corner and choose account settings. Step 3. Select email preferences. Look for the option that allows you to manage your email preferences. This may be labeled as email contact information or something similar. Click on it to proceed. Step 4. Update your email address. Enter your new email address in the designated field. Make sure to double check for any typos to ensure accuracy. Once you have entered the new email, save the changes. Step 5. Confirm the change. Check your new email inbox for a confirmation email from DoorDash. Click on the confirmation link provided in the email to verify your new address and complete the process. Once you have followed these steps, your DoorDash account will be linked to your new email address. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to DoorDash support for further assistance.